This design I call Feathers. It's 2 feathers surrounding the eye, and it's super popular. And I usually like to choose high contrast cakes that have a nice dark on one end, so that it can be a quick design. Oh, let me get started. Get the time started. Okay. So first I take the tip of my brush and do some nice flow lines around the eye. And that way I know where I'm headed. And then you just do simple leaves and tamp with the brush. And then wiggle, wiggle. Tamp. And then I just twist and finish. Same thing up here. And you want them about the same length. You don't want the top one to be super long and then the bottom one be small. So I try to follow the same pattern. I'm going to go ahead and finish this. And then we do the magic flares, so that if you had to, this could be a completed design. With a little bit of glitter, of course. And I ask if they want glitter while I'm painting. Okay, so you could stick a jewel on there and it'll be done. So about 1 minute and 20 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and do the outlines that I do when I have time. Don't have a big long line. So I like to use a smaller brush for this, a number 2. This one's a number 3, I believe, but a smaller brush so that I can get nice little teeny teardrops. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline, and then I'm just going to do little small teardrops in between in those spaces that we left, and just wiggle and flick little teardrops, and then finish it off. So I'll do little wiggles and flick some teardrops. Okay, some teardrops. I've tried to fully outline this before and it doesn't quite look right. So the little teardrops are keep it nice and airy. And then just run a delicate line up the middle if you have enough paint in your brush. And then I also like to add a few swirls, but make them smooth, not real tight, more like as if they were strings. And then if you want to, you can manually add beads right here. Or like I said, you can add a jewel if you want. Okay, so that's a good stopping place. And then if we want to, we can add some white magic with some stars and dots. So we can put a couple little stars. And some magic coming out of the stars. And then maybe one more little one here. And then some highlight on the beads. So that's a 3 minute and 37 second feather eye design.